Welcome to Module 5 of our video on microorganisms, friend or foe. In this module, we will explore food spoilage, indicators of spoilage, various methods of food preservation, pasteurization, and food additives. Food spoilage is a process that makes food unsuitable for consumption. This can be caused by oxidation by air or decomposition by bacteria or fungi. There are several indicators of food spoilage, including foul odor, bad taste, and color changes. Other signs are a slimy surface and gas formation, like bubbling in cooked foods left for too long. Food preservation is the processing of food to prevent spoilage and retain nutritive value for a long period. This is needed to kill and stop microbes from growing, reducing wastage, increasing shelf life, retaining nutritional value, and ensuring food availability. Methods of food preservation include drying or dehydration, which removes water to stop microbial growth. Salting prevents spoilage by checking bacterial growth. Canning involves sterilizing food and sealing it in airtight containers. Other preservation methods include cooling, which stops microbial reproduction in refrigerators or freezers, and heating, which kills microbes at high temperatures. Chemical preservation uses additives like sodium benzoate to control microbial growth. Pasteurization is a method of preserving milk by heating it to 70 degrees Celsius for half a minute and then cooling it quickly. This process kills most bacteria without affecting the flavor, and it was invented by Louis Pasteur. Food additives are chemicals used during food manufacturing and are of three types: preservatives, flavors, and colors. Examples include baking soda, coriander, and vinegar. Preservatives keep food fresh, such as salt, sugar, and chemical options like sodium benzoate. Flavors replace taste loss during processing, like vanilla essence. Colors make food more attractive, such as food coloring or saffron. In the next module, we will be learning about the nitrogen cycle. Thank you for watching this video.